Hey, have you considered adding beautiful, high quality windows to your construction project? You should check out the Anlin products. This is what they call Designer Black. Designer Black is not a painted black product. It's not a fiberglass product. It's not an aluminum product, even though it is gorgeous and it has all the looks you want as a builder. This product is actually an ultra premium vinyl product with a capstock Coextrusion overlay. You're like, what does that mean? What it means is we actually take the vinyl and the capstock that makes it black, and those are co-extruded together when the extrusion is being made. What do you end up with? You end up with a nice, beautiful black product, no striations, nice, clean lines. And here's what's so nice about it, compared to a lot of white vinyl products that have a black paint on them, you see nothing but black. There's no white anywhere on this product. It's always going to give you a beautiful, beautiful product. And your prospective buyer is going to love this product because it comes with a double lifetime warranty. No more cheap builder grade windows that have a 1 or 2 year warranty. This thing comes with a lifetime warranty, which includes accidental glass breakage. If your buyer's out there with a lawnmower or Jimmy's throwing a baseball and this window breaks, Anlin's going to replace it for free as long as your homeowner lives in that home.